That's why I think we need to start a netball program for the females in the community. The youth them have football, and yes, we have the dance program. But I think the females them need something for themselves. I talk to a sister in where she run a senior citizen home. I tell her to take 2 or 3 of the youth them just to help out, encourage them. She can provide lunch and bus fare. And later on she can think about giving them a start. But God knows, some of them youth just stubborn though.
But for help them see me, we just have to stay the course. I mean, like the idea there. It's a very good idea. And otherwise, it's hard to get to some of the youth them for real, Because you know the badness going on. We can't draw that in our circle.
True. But what we have to understand is that some of them born in it. Some use it for a connection level, and others use it for define themselves.
That not stop them from the good. Me see youths grow up in a garrison areas where them get less support, them get neglected, abused and all of that. And then when you check it out, as some of them are entrepreneurs and all of that, them turn out good.
The thing is, enough of them youth have to suppress themselves for surviving in the ghetto. When opportunity come, them grab it.
That's true, no, bossy. Enough of that I see going on in my community. Enough of the youth them with good education, I love for them on the corporate side. I mean, I tell you, we see them have to stray off the badness because of peer pressure.
You see, enough of the youth them have all the peer pressure, they're more academic.
And the one them under the pressure in, and them are the most creative one.
That is why we need more programs for the creative youths. More skill based. You understand?
And me want to contribute as much as I can, pave the way. Because my little daughter grew up so fast, I'm really and truly don't want she grow up and come to certain things.
Boy Whisper, you can't stop that. The world is full with both negative and positive influences. All you need to do is teach your daughter about morals and values. And you have time, she young. Just make use of it.
Go on then. I'll leave you here.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Alright. Oh, I'm gonna be late tomorrow.
Alright, I got there here in the morning, but what time I can't make it tomorrow?
Oh, 1 o'clock.
Alright then.
Alright,
I got there here.
Alright.
Hello? Who this? No? Tom Drive? No, but not Tom Drive. No. Why would I tell a lie? I don't know anything about a Tom Drive. Mr. Tony, listen. From zero dead, I not have no contact for nobody for him, or I not even go up him house.